Nothing negative, but we've had this Honda Freed for 380 days. Yes, indeed, this Honda Freed is ready to go out finally, so we're going to put some DRLs on it. As you see, we already did previous episodes on the side markers. This car went through the whole works, man. We did brakes, we did tires, we did wheels, we did suspension, we did headlights, we did HIDs, we did interior panels, we did a whole bunch of stuff on this car. It is perfectly working order. It is low kilometers. We are going to dust off the cobwebs, put on some DRLs, and ship it off to Canada. Yeah. This car hasn't been sitting, has been driven around. It's in great condition. This car is beautiful. We have the screws which we need. We have the two actual things here, the actual lenses with the DOT, SAE, VOR, and everything else, and the mounting brackets. These are the most important things right there. Don't need that. Don't need the zap straps. But although we'll keep the zap straps because it's nice to have new straps. Where do we mount them? So, unfortunately, we can't go in there because there's not enough room. No, they stick, but there's no way for me to mount the actual bracket in there. There you go. That actually looks better up top. I think it'll be too strong of an angle, too extreme. So if we put them up top, it can almost be straight. Okay, we're gonna mount it right there. There's a lot of meat. We can use our screw gun to get it on there. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Perfectly centered. That is gangster. Now, we do the top end, which means put the module that we get right from here, lead them to the 2, plug this in, and that's it. It's pretty one and done. If you already have things wired, then it's pretty easy. I had to feed this down while my boy grabbed the, I don't even know what you call that, grabber, and went through, and then he lined it up so I could get it. So thank you very much. Seriously, I needed an extra pair of hands. Now we have
a good job.
Yeah, that was gangster.
I'm fixing this car really, really well.
Very well. And did you know, this is an H, right?
Yeah.
For Honda. And look, same company as this one.
Same company.
All right, so I put the cables down there and Toma grabbed this one and then he fed that one down and I grabbed it. He connected this cable right here, this one, and this side right here. So both DRLs, these are called DRLs, both DRLs are in, side markers are in, and that's it. The whole thing is ready to go. There's nothing left to do but send it to Canada.
And we boosted the car.
We did boost the car with the jump pack. That's right. That is right.